still trying to find a way to beat. Yeah, I'm gonna just let her cry. Mm. Yeah, that's the only time when I start to move for real. Mm. Hey, what's up, Cave Trader? I think I might have missed this on on Copper. If I don't get filled by the end of the session, I'm gonna pull the order. If I don't get filled by the end of the session, I'll pull the order. Which would suck. Which would suck. And so hopefully this thing will be merciful and allow me to participate in this. Yeah, I think I might have missed it. I might have missed it. Hmm. Hmm. No, congratulations, man. Honestly, now when it comes to Tradify and Lucid, the one thing that I like about Lucid, or that I like over Lucid over Tradify now, is that they don't rebuild. So you can take as long as you want on your account. There is no rebuild in the Lucid account. So you can take as long as you need to. You can just purchase another account or reset the account if you blow it, which is actually pretty good. Oh, you're maxed out with Lucid? It's done now? Okay. Can you saute the greens? Yeah, thanks, saute. Girl, you know how I like it. Dude, that's all we get. Hold on. When do we start doing this? When do we start doing that? Mm. Mm. Well, so, mm, 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 mm. Huh. Mm, mm, mm. Hey, yo, what's up, man? I mean, I'm not sure. I'm just, mm, mm, uh, mm, mm, damn. Mm, Damn it. Ah, man. God damn it. Damn, damn, damn. Damn. It. Damn it. All right, so if I don't get this limit filled, damn, I was too late, man. Damn, I was too late. I was too late. I was hoping for a quick pullback here. Damn it. I saw this too late. You can't chase copper, man. This thing moves too damn slow. If you missed the train, man, you missed the train. I guess I could just catch it short because it did break structure, so if I missed the long, potentially I can catch the short. Potentially, but who's to say that this thing even goes short after? We did see a breaking structure down. Man, that shit would need to work that. Man, that's a lot. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't copy trade. Yeah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't do it. Like, that's purposes on. Thank you. I swear, there's just always something, man. There's always something. Something. Hmm. 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 Of course, man. Of course. Hmm. Of yeah. Oh shit. Man, Copper, why'd you do that? Well, you know what, man? I'll just come back tomorrow with it. I'm not gonna chase Copper up and down. It actually came back and it would have filled my entry here. Would have filled my entry. Mm. Nice. Mm. Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's up, Investors? Mm. 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 Hey, yo, what's up, Tony Gold? Mm. That would be hilarious. That would be hilarious. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, if I would prefer to catch the ride back up if possible, but mm, man, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Why do I always do this, man? Why did I pull that order, man? Damn, damn it, damn it, damn. Mm. Uh, uh, mm, okay. Mm. Man, I wouldn't short it this low. All right. Hey, give me about 10 minutes. Give me about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Maybe less than that. Sorry about that, guys. All right. Man, I gotta come up with like a. I gotta come up with something with silver, man. I gotta come up with something. I mean, I'll pull these orders because I'm not gonna have anything lingering overnight. Usually, when you have something lingering overnight, it's just for whatever reason, it just won't work. It just won't work. So I'm not gonna have any lingering orders overnight. Look at that drop. Honestly, I wouldn't have. I mean, I got my line here, and this was that low that we marked out earlier today. This was the low that the market had to break through, and once we got this break, this is where shorts would actually work. And you can see now that the shorts are working now that we've got the break underneath this low. But it did not really give a clean entry. I mean, I guess technically, I guess it did perfectly reject right here. I guess. But I do not feel comfortable shorting this low, especially on silver. Especially on silver. I feel like a trade like this will probably work every once in a while. Every once in a while, it'll work. But honestly, this thing actually might continue to go down. Since this is the bears successfully holding price underneath that low. And so now price is in price discovery, and it'll probably, yeah, look at it go. Look at it. No, I should have took it. I was too scared. No. Oh man. Look at it freaking go, man. Okay. All right. All right. Honestly, yeah, it's different. Yeah, it's different for sure. Okay. He says going back to dip under 90. Trust me, you get what you give. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, well, guess you just have to figure it out, I guess. Figure it out. You got leg day today? Bro, I don't know what it is about calves, man. They're just so hard to work out. Or how do I want to say this? It's such a challenge to see results in your calves, man. So it's definitely a challenge. Uh, well, mm, oh shit, I didn't even see that. Hmm, that's interesting. Hmm, that is interesting. Why does that not show up here? Hmm. Interesting. Mm. Yeah, that's definitely for sure. Hmm. Yeah, when I work on my calves, all I get is they become more defined, but man, I don't got those dad calves, log calves. Like how the hell did how the hell did your calves get that damn big? Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Well. Hmm. And I really, like I said, I gotta figure out a new strategy on silver, man. One where I don't have to be so passive. Just tired of silver just being nasty now. There's a bunch of orders sitting at 93.5 around the area where I got my limit sitting. Uh, all I can do now is just wait. I hate that. Oh. Mm. Having a strong neck, huh? Having a strong neck. Mm. Oh man, that's hilarious. Okay. Yeah, dude, I doubt it, man. I doubt it. I doubt it. There's no way that this thing drops. There's no way that. There's no way, dude. If anything, it'll probably turn into like a 370. Oh man. Yeah, I doubt it. There's no. I mean, I guess there's not. There's no way or nothing. But probably unlikely. Oops, sorry. Has anybody seen that video about Jet Li? It's not nothing bad or anything, but man, he looks like a monk now. He looks peaceful. He looks like he looks like he's in his last stage of life, for sure. And I'm not saying that he's gonna die or anything. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, like, like after you've accomplished a lot, there's nothing. There's not too much you can. There's not too much that you haven't accomplished. You accomplished everything that the world has to offer, and then you're just in that stage of life where easygoing. You've let everything go. No ego, because I mean, if your ego has already been fulfilled. He just looks peaceful, like he's in his last stage of life. I want to be comfortable, but I don't ever want to be that comfortable. I don't want my fire to go out. I do not want my fire to go out. Oof. Yeah, you saw that? What did you think? It's like Jet Li just came up. He just popped up in everybody's timeline, huh? You know, growing up, I always thought that Jet Li was just a more aggressive version than Jackie Chan. Two of the goats of martial arts movies. I guess I should say a more serious version than Jackie Chan. I mean, if you want, comedy, that was more Jackie Chan's lane, and Jet Li was a more serious, quote unquote, martial artist in terms of how they portray themselves in the movies. Yeah, I think we all have. I think we all have. Yeah, it's a shame that whoever took out Bruce Lee, it's a shame that he got taken out the way he did. Stay long. All right, dude, if this works, okay. If this works, I'll never doubt it again. I won't doubt it. But I doubt it works. I doubt it. I doubt that works. Oof. Yeah, him in that movie with him and Aaliyah. Queen of the Damned. Ah, no, don't. Don't. Oh, man, don't do that, Silver. Dude, I'm starting to think that the moves that you don't expect to work are the ones that's gonna work. I do not expect this to work, but now I don't want it to work, but it'll probably work. Let's see. Yeah, that's for sure, man. That is definitely for sure. Get kind of tired of it, actually. Yeah. Yeah, and time is flying by, dude. It's already 9:25, dude. Where did the time go? Where did the time go at? Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Now that silver is super volatile, it's just I don't feel comfortable trading it like that. Man, this thing is gonna probably dump here, man. I should have just took it. Take that, take that. Take that, take that. 92, 490. I guess what I don't want to happen is I get into a move and it immediately goes against me. 92, 250. Shit, even though I haven't placed a NASDAQ trade in a very long time. Even though I know breakouts usually will fail. Outside of the NASDAQ. Shit, the NASDAQ breaks out all the damn time. But outside of the NASDAQ, breakouts, the breakout trade usually fails. And I will still skip the trade because I think it'll break out. So where that yellow line is where I almost placed a short limit right here. So I almost placed a short limit right there. I mean, so far, I'm getting the reaction that I want. This will be where my target will be at. So, I mean, if this thing comes down and hits that target, I'll feel like an ass for not taking the position. No, 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 no. Oh, man. Damn it. Ah, man. Ah, man. Dude, what is going on tonight, man? What is going on tonight? I pulled the order. Ugh. So dang, and it looked like it came. It looks like it came back. Damn, Copper. Shit. Why are you doing this? Yeah, it actually, dude, it came back, dude. All right, so I would have got my target filled right there. Hmm. 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 All right, dude. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I guess that's yeah. Hmm. 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 And we will stop at nothing. Hmm. Stop at nothing to possess it. Hmm. Mm. Should have had a good trade on copper just, and I was barely in drawdown. That's why I'm really enjoying trading copper right now. I was probably only 5 ticks in drawdown. 5 ticks. All right, let's look at gold. Maybe gold. I haven't looked at gold in so long. Haven't looked at gold in a while. Shit, gold has been chopping, man. Gold basically chopped in a range the entire session after that big move higher yesterday. Yeah, I think we could see a. I mean, either they're gonna run the stops here. Okay, there goes the stops. Mm. Okay. And 48. Mm, 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 mm. I guess if I don't take it, I'll feel regret. Mm, okay. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Mm. I'm going to take a chance on it, man, cause I'm gonna feel regret if I don't take it. I'm gonna feel regret. So I already regret not take or I almost. I mean, I had this trade lined up. but I thought I missed it, man. So I pulled the order. Dude, honestly, I really don't. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what possessed me to pull that order. I don't normally do that. Just seems that these little uncharacteristic behaviors that I exhibit at times is when the move works or the position will work. And then when I stubbornly hold it, it's not like it doesn't always work, but I guess when I find myself stubbornly holding a position, I'm not getting the results that I'm looking for. Man, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know about this. I mean, I guess it could just dump back down, but I guess it could. I mean, we did get the break, so I mean, I guess. I mean, I guess it could potentially just dump at this breaker structure right here. I guess it could just break right there. All right, let me just make sure. Okay, I got it set to 540. All right. I don't remember locking this out, but I'm glad I did. I'm glad I locked this out. So I guess subconsciously I'm locking myself out because I really don't remember when I did this. Okay. I'm going to probably leave this order on as well. I'm going to leave this order on. Like if this doesn't get hit before the stream ends, I'm going to leave this order on. Because I was planning on taking this trade anyway, so regardless of what happens, it'll happen anyway, regardless if I'm watching it or not. You know what? If the order gets filled, I don't mind letting it play out overnight. It's just that it's my biggest concern is always getting a missed fill, the market missing the order. Going in the intended direction and then coming back and trading through that limit, resulting in a loss. That would be my concern. So you know what? I'll leave that limit there. And before I go to bed, I'll check on it and see if I've gotten filled or not. If I haven't gotten filled, then I'll pull the order. But it does look like silver is going to fill that order for me tonight, so we'll see. You signing off, Tony? All right, so I think I'll get that order filled. Okay. Mm. Mm. And I think that's a good order right there. That's good. Fill that order, Silver, and then dump. Of course. Dude, this is not even worth it. There's a bunch of orders sitting at 93.5. Hmm. And it would have been nice to have been able to catch this right here. I don't know what it used to bounce. I'm looking at it now. I don't know where this came from. Don't know where it came from. Cause it feels like it just came out of nowhere. Mm. Okay. Mm. Mm. Honestly, I don't know. I just don't know. Hmm. I don't know. Good thing I didn't take that short. I was thinking about it. But I'm glad I didn't. It looks like gold wants to break out at this point. I mean, gold has been consolidating in this range. So I do expect a massive break. I mean, this thing has just been ping-ponging in one range for the last, shit, about 12 hours. More than 12 hours. So about 16, 17 hours, the gold has been consolidating in one big range. So we should definitely expect a big move. It kind of makes me think that we probably have news tomorrow. Do we have news tomorrow? That's the question. Mm. We have the ADP employment change at 7:15 Central Time tomorrow. That's about it. That is about it. Mm. 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 Huh. Hey, what's up, Steve? Steve says massive news. Short last 20-minute in gold. You got massive news. What's the news? All right, that looks like a big push. I just want to get filled, and hopefully silver doesn't do what it did to me the other night where I had to pull the order and then it fills the limit like an hour after the stream ends and stuff like that. So hmm. You said FXSI. Hmm. Mm. Mm. Is this like a trading platform? It says what, MT4? So it's a trading platform that gives you news and everything else like that within the platform itself? Oh, sentiments. And Silver, why'd you do all that? I think Silver's gonna probably do me the same way it did me the other night. Like I said, before I go to bed, I'll check on this. If I'm not filled before I go to bed, I need to see the limit get filled, and then I can peacefully go to sleep. I just don't want to be in a situation where it misses me. Damn. I mean, yeah, that'd be cool, Cave Trader. Why not? Ah, it's gonna probably drop at. Ah, dude, it's like right there. That's gonna probably work. Damn it. That's gonna work. That is gonna work. It's literally right there. Okay, well. Okay. Mm, okay. I mean, this thing would have to start trending. So I won't short that low. So what I'll do is, instead of shorting low like that, I'll go a little bit higher, just in case. Just in case. I'll short that. I mean, this actually may work too. It may work. But I just need to see the limit get filled. All right, I'll give this thing like 3 more minutes. If I don't get filled in 3 minutes, then I'm going to bed. Or I'm gonna start preparing for bed. And before I go to bed, I'll check on this limit. I mean, I guess it should get filled. Should get filled. Yeah, it's so close. About a couple of ticks away. Well, not a couple of ticks, but about 36 ticks away. Mm. Mm. I mean, mm, when it comes to like a bot presenting news in some kind, what it has to do is I'm pretty sure you know this, but it would have to scrape the internet. What a lot of these bots do is actually scrape Twitter because Twitter is scrape bot friendly, or at least the last time I checked, Twitter was scrape bot friendly. I don't know if it still is. But yeah, they use these bots to just scrape the internet, or mostly Twitter or X, and then they present it back to you. Okay. All right. Well, all right, guys. All right, that's gonna be it for me tonight. It just sucks not being able to get nothing filled on stream. And I'm not gonna get super aggressive on silver. I'm not gonna get super aggressive. As y'all guys can see, I already made the 7. So the account that I hit daily loss limit in yesterday, I made the $700 back. So I made about 80%, 75, 80% of what I lost yesterday back. Come on, silver. I'll give it one more minute. Give it one more minute. I really want to get this order filled because oops. I don't know why I don't know. Anyway. No, I wouldn't be able to stay until 11:30. I barely get sleep as it is now. 'Cause I'm up at 5 o'clock. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, you talking about? Oh, okay. You talking about like 10:30. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Hmm. All right. Cool. I'm filled. All right. We'll see what happens here. Hmm. Okay. All right, guys. That's gonna be it for me. I'm out of time for this session. As long as this order is filled, I'll let this thing play out. Um, I'll let it play out. But I appreciate everybody that joined me tonight. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.